I'm Dashamir Elezi, President of Albanian Sommelier Association. And it was a very great pleasure to come here and to stay in this meeting and in this fair. Actually, I tried different Serbian wines 1 week before in Bulgaria in another meeting of wine, in wine festival of Sofia. And I wasn't so impressed because here we have a very high quality of wine. And now I tried different wines, for different regions of Serbia, and really I was surprised for your great wines, and mostly for different reds one, not only Kupas, but Prokopas I love it because it's really fruity and have a good balance and good structure. Surely we have to work to increase our product to bring it in all over the world, because I mean that the world of wine is not only France and Italy, but surely all the world have, from the Balkan, have to sign and to trust and to test something different, and the different is from Balkan. And I loved different wineries here. For example, a sparkling wine with a traditional method. It was something super to do some sparkling wine only with the white grapes, and to have this persistence, this balance, this nice acidity. And I was really surprised, and it's great to stay here and to test with to spend nice time and very qualitative time with winemakers from Serbia. Eviva! Thank you very much.